Stop by and take a look at the 2003 LX 470. The LX 470 is a full-size luxury SUV offered by Lexus and is among the most reliable vehicles as rated by J.D. Power. The interior is all luxury mixed with the latest technology available. Add copious amounts of cargo space and the LX 470 is a winner all around. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.